or you think to compare with the different amplifiers. I have a tons of AMAs, you name it, Fosi amplifiers. I did so many different amplifiers. So far, this one is if I buy from Amazon or somewhere. Alright guys, Mike is back with another video. Ashida Audio sent it to me, their brand new product. When I went to the website, I was surprised how many items, how many great products, amplifiers they have on the website, right? So I end up ordering a couple items from them and we're gonna bring it to the channel. If you're looking to yap about the products and yapper video, this is not the video for you. As you can see, my speakers out. I have a multiple different speakers set up already for you guys to listen this amplifier and tell me how you feel it, right? Because I watched a couple of videos, the guys just yapping over, just opening the inside, showing. You guys already watched those videos because my videos is later, after a year and a 2.5 years later. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go actually connect this amplifier to the speakers. The part one is gonna be two different speakers, monitor audio and the KIF speakers. And I think all the videos is repeating each other. This is a good amplifier for the background music listening, right? This is not gonna be the main listening source. But when I connect and couple clicking the notes, seeing the equalizer, how come this amplifier can be the background music amplifier? Actually, if you give the right signal and the right speakers, you'll be surprised how this amplifier it sounds. I'm going to show you in a minute. Let's dive in. I'm going to show you how's my setup, the multiple speakers, and we're going to listen a lot of music together. If you're lazy to put the headphones, if you put the headphones, you're gonna hear it because I'm recording at the lossless audio, 32-bit audio after YouTube compression, but still you're gonna hear the quality, right? If you're lazy, you're laying down on the bed in late night watching my videos, just make it louder your phone. Even the bass from your tiny speakers, you're gonna hear how much bass this amplifier produces with the good quality speakers. All right, let's unbox and take a look. High-res audio, PA40. As you can see, all the instruction manual, thank you card. And this is the amplifier itself. As you can see, pretty large size than other amplifiers I review it from the Fosi audio, AMAs, all that stuff, right? But the huge plus with a little bit larger, all the power breaks it's inside. As you can see, you have only the power, the wires, and the most common power wire here. So you're not gonna be hustling with the brick, and it's gonna be just power wire here. Remote control, so super simple, up and down, left and right, function button, mute, and the volume up and down. So that's it, super simple. The battery, we're gonna install it. Then this is the front section. Also, it's gonna be high resolution power amplifier. Click in and just unlimited scroll. And it's in the display here. On the back, as you can see, we have a screw, the speakers, 2-channel speakers, and the lane input, and the power switch here, nicely made. And as you can see, the power AC cable in. The bottom part is good, the rubber piece, and I'm gonna mount. Let's listen to music. All right, guys, this is what we have today. The KIF, I'm gonna show you the demo, right, on the KIF speakers. Those are 6.5 speakers right here, the 2 KIF audio. So this is the amplifier, lives here. Right now it's connected. Amplifier I'm feeding with the HC amplifier, high-res audio preamp, right? So it's gonna be nice, clean audio. It goes in, and a very clean audio goes out. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna start playing some multiple music for you guys today, right? All right. Let's see from this guy. All right. So the volume, it goes from the -60 to all the way to 0, right? So one click, the functionality, it's gonna be E, the flat 1. Okay, let me make it louder so you guys can hear the difference. So bass, this is treble. All right. All right. Now I'm gonna go to equalizer and look at this. This is equalizer 1, equalizer 2. Okay, let's do this. All these musics are not very good ones, but as you can see, the 5 preset equalizer, definitely you can find your favorite, the tune for the music, right? Let's play some kind of the vocals. Yes, equalizer 3. That's a 2.
Hanging by a thread, lonesome, lonely as it gets. Lost
Black.
Wandering in my head, I was sleeping. You, honey, you got me. And you were right on time. Honey, I got you. And you were right on time, honey.
Alright, let's play the different music. This was too boring, so I'm gonna play something a little bit better.
I heard you moved on, got a new man, someone to call your own. Hope you know I haven't been the same, baby, since you've been gone. Feel it coming when the sun goes
Bass I'm adding.
down. I see your face when I close my eyes. I blame it on the night. I blame it on the light in this lonely bar. Don't put the heavens right. We've been through this 100 times before. Life went out so long ago. I forget it's hard to see in the dark. So I blame it on the night.
As As you can see, all the bass is coming from just the two bookshelf speakers from KIF, right? So if you add the bass on this, actually rock and rolls any bookshelf speakers like that, and it gives you very, very good deep bass and clarity. It's more than enough to open up. No matter what kind of the setup, the equalizer you have, the 5 different presets, you can add still bass and clarity. That's a huge plus on this amplifier. An amplifier very efficient without any noise, even if you control the volume. It's super nice and quiet, right? And there is no running, hissing sound at all. So very nice quality for the $150. It's around $150, right? It's very good sounding amplifier, and I don't know why the guys are saying like a background running amplifier. I have no idea, but if you have good signals coming in and good signals to playing, next video I'm gonna play these large speakers. These ones gonna be significantly louder just from that amplifier, right? And even the paradigm is gonna be sound 10 times better than the KIF. But right now I'm gonna switch KIF to monitor audios. I'm gonna listen on that couple music, right? All right, now we have a monitor audio speakers. These are total different beast. Hope you guys can enjoy this sound. Let's try. As you can see, I'm running 39 minus 39, same output. Actually, these are louder. Alright, let's play with the equalizer. This is equalizer 1. This is 2. Equalizer 3. Let's give some juice. Actually, it's rock and rolled my speaker here. Let's play something different. I think it's enough. Oh, it's dead cold. It needs to warm up. So it's rock and roll my speaker. There's a lot of air coming out from this part. Definitely I have to run these amplifier with these large speakers. This one almost the same price amplifier, but that even come close to sound output. this guy. It's a lot more power on this. You can rock and roll a lot larger speakers without any issues. Very powerful amplifier. So they say around like 160 watts. Yeah, definitely puts up tons of power. Then this tiny guy. Later I'm gonna do that. We have the Edifier. I have to unbox and take a look at monitor series speakers too. Actually, these are non-copyright music. I can play only. I was listening to high-res audio with this 3000 kilobits per second audios. This amplifier performs surprisingly well, right? So tons of power, tons of bass. You can lift up the bass and travel. Just pair with the right speakers and pair with the right signal, and you're gonna be surprised how this amplifier sounds. So digital amplifiers right now is catching up high-res audio without any issues. Back in the days, we have to spend a lot of money to get the high-res audio quality. Now these digital amplifiers, it sounds surprisingly well. Like, it's really, really good. So here's my review. Comment below if you guys are running these amplifiers or you think to compare with the different amplifiers. I have tons of AMAs, you name it, Fosi amplifiers. I did so many the different amplifiers. So far, this one's if I buy from Amazon or somewhere, I will hardly put the 5-star. What I can add it is better display because for the similar price, I have AMA with the digital displays. Like you can see the movement, all that stuff on the display, and you can see the reads. Bluetooth receiver from the same company. I don't know how well they're going to be working. If they have same power output, a little bit bigger, and the Bluetooth integrated inside, and the subwoofer output, that's going to be huge plus. I will definitely add a little bit cash and buy those just to have the amplifier like a clean secondary, like a back speaker around the amplifier, all that stuff. This is very, very good amplifier. So do I suggest you get it for the price they're offering? It's not bad at all. If they have the bigger version, I will move on the bigger version because the remote control is like super small. Functionality is not the top rated, but overall the sound quality, as you can see, yeah, if you listen on your headphones, you will hear the difference, right? When I'm switching preset equalizers and the separate bass and clarity. Integrated power inside. So overall, it's very nice built stuff. Fit and finish quality, as you can see, it's all right. If they need another fiber optic input, so you can pair with these speakers through the TV, that's going to be a huge plus. Other than that, I'm out. Also in the next video. Comment below if you guys are running these amplifiers and how you like the sound quality, right? Or if you want a different product from them, I put the links on the description. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, definitely subscribe it. I don't like yapping videos. I like to just show you actually before you purchase, before you pull the trigger, you can actually listen to the audio equipment, the speakers. I'm gonna do the Edifier MR5 speakers next video, and we're gonna run also the music. I'm gonna give you like a tons of bass test, vocal test, and you will enjoy it. Links on the description. I'm out.